Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off hide decline events in calendar on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the calendar app. Next, we tap on the menu key at the top. And then from the pop-up menu, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on hide decline events. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. And this will allow you to show decline events. If you turn this one on, it will hide decline events in calendar. Now after that, you can tap on the back button to go back to your calendar view, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.